Governor Cooper's Phase 2 order doesn't include gyms or fitness centers to reopen, but some facilities are opening its doors against those orders.
WNCT's Ariana Kraft continues our team coverage and shares what people should know before going back to these facilities.
Some gyms are reopening in phases and taking additional precautions to prevent the spread of COVID-19. But many people still have questions on how they can return to the gym safely.
There's no doubt that going back to the gym is going to increase your risk of contracting the virus.
But there are precautions for people who want to get back to working out.
Just be conscious of people around you and clean your surface after you. I mean, don't just rely on somebody to wipe it before you, but if you're concerned, always it's better safe than sorry. Every facility that I know, especially us, we are constantly wiping down the machines and touch surfaces with hospital-grade disinfectant.
Using masks can help prevent the spread of COVID, especially in the gym.
For the wearer of the mask, though, it might be a good idea, not because of the maybe 20% reduction in risk of some of the particles being inhaled, but really because it reminds you not to touch your face.
If you're getting back into the gym after some time, it's a good idea to pace yourself.
The last thing you want is to get back the first day and end up on injured reserve because you pushed it too quickly.
Keeping your immune system strong is more important than ever.
With the COVID-19, the at-risk population is usually the most unhealthy population. So anything you can do to keep your body in top tier, top peak health, it just always helps with your immune system.
There are things you can do outside the gym to stay healthy.
Getting enough rest is important. Staying hydrated is important. Not overindulging in alcohol is important. Keeping your nutrition base up.
Gyms are encouraging their members to continue following social distancing and hygiene guidelines as they return to these facilities. In Greenville, Ariana Kraft, 9 on your side.